How to use the 1010 app. So let's get started. So you have to visit your app store or the play store that you are using, and you have to download and install the app into your device. Now you just have to open the app and sign up for your account, or you can also sign in with the Google, TikTok, Apple, and there are many more options. So you just have to connect your account where you want. So once you sign in, here you have to add your first name and the last name, and you have to add a profile picture. You can choose a random picture, or you can also open your camera roll and take a selfie as you want. And here you have to enable the mic permission so you can talk to your friends, and click on the continue. So once you are in here, you have to share your pin with the friends so they can add you, and you need at least one friend to accept your request. And after that, you have to navigate through the app to discover its features, and you can also edit your profile, access the walkie-talkie functionality, and many more. And you have to remember that the 1010 turns your phone into a live walkie-talkie, and allowing you to communicate with your friends anytime, anywhere, even when their screens are locked. And you have to explore its more features, and that's how you can use the 1010 app. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.